Hi friends, myself Dr. Jairam J.R., Government First Grade College, Tiptur, Department of Physics, Tumkur District. Government. The title of the paper is Quantum Mechanics 1 for BSc Physics 5th semester. Today's session is to solve the numerical problems on quantum mechanics 1. Welcome to the session. The objective of the session is to enhance the reasoning ability of the observation. The session outcomes: depth knowledge about the concept. Second outcome is understand the other phases of the concept. Numerical problems. The first problem is the speed of electron is 5 km per second to an accuracy of 0.003%. Find the uncertainty in position of electron. So this problem is related to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Here in this problem, the speed is given, that speed is 5 kilometer per second. So kilometer is taken as 10 to the power of plus 3, and an accuracy of 0.003% is given. Now the solution is the uncertainty in velocity is delta V is 0.003 divided by 100 into 5 kilometer per second. Then error uncertainty in velocity is 0.15 meter per second. Similarly, the uncertainty in momentum is delta P is equal to m into delta V. So delta V is already calculated 0.15 meter per second. Then in a given problem the speed of electron, so that value is substituted, and mass of electron is given and substituted and simplify. Mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 to the minus 31, and delta V is calculated, is substituted, simplify. The uncertainty in momentum is equal to 1.366 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg meter per second. Then Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta x is equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. Then h value is 6.63625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 and divided by 2 pi, and delta pi value is this much. Substitute and simplify. So the uncertainty in momentum we obtain 7.72 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter. Second numerical problem is the average time of atom re-emitting its radiation is 10 to the power of minus 8 seconds. Calculate the limit of accuracy which the energy is emitted. So this numerical problem is related to Heisenberg uncertainty principle of the canonical variable, physical variable, canonical conjugate physical variable, energy and time, delta E delta T is equal to h divided by 4 pi. Then delta E is equal to h divided by 2 pi into delta T. H value, h divided by 2 pi is 1.05 into 10 to the power of minus 34, and uncertainty in time 10 to the power of minus 8 second is substituted, simplify. So that value is, uncertainty in energy is 6.56 into 10 to the power of minus 8 electron volt. So actually this value is in joule. That joule is converted into electron volt divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So therefore uncertainty in energy is 6.56 into 10 to the power of minus 8 electron volt. Next problem, find the de Broglie wavelength of electron accelerated by v volts, assuming its kinetic energy is small than its rest mass. The kinetic energy E is equal to half mv square. So that is equal to energy. That energy is equal to charge of electron into volt. So the charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 volt. So therefore the kinetic energy is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 volt. So de Broglie wavelength, the electron is associated with the de Broglie wavelength. The relation is h into divided by root of 2 MeV, where m is the mass of electron, charge of electron, and v is the potential. So substitute h value is 6.6 into minus 34, the mass is 9.1 and potential remain as it is. Charge is 1.6 minus 19. Substitute and simplify. The de Broglie wavelength is this one. So the calculated de Broglie wavelength is 12.28 divided by root of potential angstrom. Next problem. A proton has a wavelength 0.5 to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Calculate its energy. So de Broglie wavelength, lambda is equal to h over mv. Then v is equal to h divided by m lambda. Then substitute and simplify. We get the value of the velocity. So that is 7.934 into 10 to the power of 3 meter per second. Then the kinetic energy is half mv square 1 by 2 into the mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27. Mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg, and the velocity is calculated 7.934 into 10 to the power of 3. Substituted and simplify, we get the value, this one. Then the energy is 0.3285 electron volt. Some references of this session, the textbooks are given, and a little more problems are choose from this textbook and discuss yourself. Kshamata Muktavat A.K. Upadhyay, Applied Physics, IK International Publishing Limited, and another textbook is R. Murugesan, K. Siva Prashant, Modern Physics, Western Company. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.